Well, welcome my friends back to another adventure with S-Park Adventures, where we try to put a spark in your day. We're out here at Strawberry tonight. Gonna try to go out in the morning and catch some fish, but I've made it out this evening and we've pretty much got camp set up. I'll take you on a little tour, show you what we got working tonight. Alright, so this is my updated heater. Last week I about froze to death because the tunnel to get the heat to the cab was so long. I felt like I was losing all my heat, and so I went ahead and built this little contraption with a couple 2x4s to try to lift this up and get it a little closer to the cab where it pumps it in. We'll see how it goes tonight. Got all my stuff here ready to go for the morning, and as we come around here, oh, there's the big semi coming down the highway. But yeah, show you what we got working here tonight. Let's see, this is it. Pretty rudimentary, pretty simple. Got a mattress because I refuse to sleep on a roll-out camper mattress anymore, but I got a nice mattress back there to sleep on. Got my bedding. We popped the tailgate. Got a little stand here for it. We got a drawer with all my kitchen supplies, and I'll go ahead and show you that. Tomorrow morning we're going to make a delicious breakfast burrito, so join us for that. Maybe do up a little hot chocolate before we hit the ice. So anyways, join us tonight and we'll see you in the morning. Alright my friends, good morning. Out here at Strawberry this morning again. Gonna whip up some breakfast with you, so I'm going to put you here in the chest and you can enjoy some food making, hopefully. Okay, so go ahead and get out our supplies. First, we'll get out our bowl. Here's our gas. We'll get this out for some hot chocolate here in a minute. These are our wind plates, cutting board. There's our stove. Okay, need that. We are going to need, what else are we going to need? We're going to need some hot cocoa. We're going to need a bowl to whisk the eggs in, a spoon to do it with, let's do a cup for the hot chocolates. Should be good. Okay. So alright. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our little stove top out. Gonna get our stove out, get our gas going here, make sure that's lined up good. Okay, let's see. I feel like we're gonna definitely need these this morning because the wind is a howler. So, that. Okay. Alright. Let's see. We will get out a delicious meal this morning. Okay. That's ice. Eggs, pastrami, cheese, potatoes, some hot sauce packets, and a tortilla. Okay. Okay, now let's see here. This direction is good. I'm blowing in. Okay. So, first, let's chop up this potato. That. Okay. Let's see. So, I like to cut them like this, and then cut them like that, and then we'll just dice them up really fine so they cook fast. Alright, add a little olive oil to our pan here. Good. Make sure that gets nice and coated. Add these taters there. Fry up some taters. Add a little salt and pepper, of course. Let's see. Yeah. Garlic salt. Nice. Okay. Give this a little stir. Alright, so those are frying up. Let's get these eggs cracked. Alright, eggs are cracked. Just whip these up as best we can. Break the yolk. There's a little whisk. A little salt and pepper to these as well. Nice. Add some of this, a bunch of that there as well. It's gonna go back in there with our ice. Okay. go ahead and chop this up. Pastrami and salami, never go wrong with that. Looks like those fellas are getting their snowmobiles out, headed out for a fun day. So, okay, well, bring you back. Looks like we got our potatoes softened up. We're gonna add this meat and get it warmed up. Go. Give this a little stir. Now, just to hopefully help with the egg sticking, I'm going to add a little oil all the way around. Let's see if we can't get it to not stick. Should have brought some butter. I wish I would have brought some butter, but things to remember. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add these eggs. Okay. Nice. Let these cook up for a second. And then we'll get our tortillas ready. Should have grabbed a plate. Whoops. Grab some cheese. Maybe a lot of cheese. Grab some cheese. Alright. Give this its first stir. See if we can keep the eggs from gumming up the bottom too bad. Okay. Alright. Ooh, that pastrami smells delicious. I wish you could smell it. Ooh, yeah. Delicious. Okay, so let's gather it all up here again if we can. Okay. Put this on top. Very freaking hot. Okay. Put some of that there. Put some of that there. A little bit here. A little bit there. A little bit here. A little bit there. Yeah. Okay. Hot. Alright, now. See if I can get this taco folding thing down. Okay, so I need this and this to go in and squeeze all that up. Okay. Good enough. Alright. Let's put a little bit of taco sauce in there, huh? Oh yeah. Ooh, delicious. Okay, my friends, got my cup of hot cocoa. Just gonna flip this mattress up, and then we'll be on our way to the lake. Pretty much got the mess cleaned up from breakfast, so see how it goes. I'll join you back at the lake. Alright, my friends. Got camp set up. We're in about 14 feet of water. Going down for the first time. Got the jaw jacker set up over there. So, let's see what happens. We can scare one up here. I won't lie to you, I'm feeling a little bit nervous out here today. Got a fair amount of snow last night, and seems like the crust is a little bit soft. I'd really like to not get myself in a pickle with the slush today, seeing as how I'm by myself out here as well. That would not be ideal. Okay, let's turn this down to there. Okay. There we go. But yeah, see if we can scare one up and get out of here before we get ourselves in a real conundrum. Because I am a ways away from anybody or anything. A long ways. We'll give this spot 20 minutes and see if we can rustle something up. If we can't, we will put the show on the road and head back towards the truck and the parking lot so that I can feel more confident that we're not going to get ourselves in a terrible, terrible situation. I've been out here when the slush is so deep. There's just no rescue. You just have to literally hand line everything in, and it's not super fun. So I'd rather not do that today if I can, but we'll see what happens. I guess I'm already out here. Well, my friends, it looks like it's deader than a doorknob over here. It's ugly. Haven't seen one fish swim through. Not one nibble on the jaw jacker. We're probably going to have to move. The reason I come out here is my buddy always says they come out and fish off this outhouse on top of the hill over there. And says they just slay it in the summer, throwing power bait out here, but certainly not my situation today. Like I say, I think we'll head back towards the ramp anyway. I'll feel much more confident out there than clear out here in the middle of nowhere with no one by me. Not very many people in the parking lot. This is probably my last ice fishing trip of the season as well. I got a couple trips coming up and boats ready to go, so got my boat down there to Cal at XPM. Got it tuned up for the summer, so should be really good. I'm quite excited. I guess we'll see what happens. Hopefully there's no issues with it this summer and we can just have an excellent summer, catching lots of fish, doing lots of camping. Anyways, now to see if I can find a quiet diesel heater pump, because although having it up on the rack got warm air in the cab, I could hear that diesel pump all night long. Toong, 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 toong. So I'm hopeful that maybe I can get one of these to work. That'll be quieter. There he is. Got him, guys. Had him on the screen. Finally. Oh yeah. Nice little slot cut from the old strawberry. Can't complain about that. Yes, sir. Okay. Much. Very nice, very nice. Alright. There you go. There he goes. Oh, I was going to show you, but he had other plans. So, let's see. Looks like there might be a little school down there. I better get back down there. See, I just used mealies or waxies, but they didn't have any wax worms. They only had these spikes, so I said, well, let's give it a shot. Oh. There he is. Nice. Ooh, good fish. Yes, sir. Another nice slot. Here he is. Nice. Okay, let's get him unbuckled. Okay. Alright. There Ow, ooh, he's got sharp teeth. There you go, pal. Ooh, little tail bag here somewhere. There we go. Alright, number 2. Very nice, guys. Like that. There's one. Yeah, there's one. Ooh, we got it on the fall. Ooh, good one. Another nice one. Oh, yeah. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. Come here. Come here. Stop stopping. Okay. Come here. Yeah, I'm trying to help you here, pal. Trying to get you unbuttoned. There we go. Another nice fish. Strawberry cut. Ooh. There he is. Sometimes you have to do that. You can raise them up a little bit and then drop it in their face. Can't handle it. Gotta pick it up. Especially here at Strawberry, I've found that's a really good strategy, is to try to get them to chase it up a little bit and then drop it by their face. And they race down there and pick that up like crazy. Got the old Seb texting me, asking how it is. He had to go to, that's a better one, St. George this weekend. So he wasn't able to join me, but I think he would have enjoyed this today. Come on, get your head up here. Attaboy. Ooh, rainbow. Nice. Nice rainbow. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. He's got some chunk to him. Now, all these rainbows are stocked and not capable of breeding. I can't remember the word for it. Sterile. So, every one you catch will never produce offspring. I don't know why they do that here, but they do. Probably to try to help the cuts maintain the bulk of the population, to keep the chub population down, but you can keep them. I don't really eat fish, so I'm not going to be keeping anything. But there you go, we caught one we could have kept today. Nice rainbow. Yeah, that wing is free. Well, my friends, thanks for joining us here on S Park Outdoors. We try to put a spark in your day. Gonna wrap it up here before our base gets too weak, I think, and I can't get back to the boat ramp with ease. But it's been a beautiful day. Got a bunch of fish. Probably the last ice fishing adventure of the season, I think. Next time we'll see you in the boat, and hopefully that'll be a good season there too. So hang out. We'll see you next time.